Greetings everyone. On this episode of Wrench with Matt, I'm going to be installing not one, not two, but three carbon fiber trim kits for my 2025 Toyota Tacoma. There's a number of different accents on the truck, black and smoked silver dash that, they look great, but I think the carbon fiber will dress them up really nice. The first kit I have is for the door handles. The second one is for the smoked silver stripe across the dash, both on the driver and in the center and passenger side, and then for the center console where the shifter is. So let's take a look and see what we get in the box, and then see how hard it is to install. So the three kits, this one's for the dash, this is for the center console, and these are the four pieces for the door handles. They do have a wipe, that's an adhesion promoter, so we'll use that. It goes this way, nice little carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber trim there. You got some double-sided tape all the way around to hold it in place. I like the look of that. This one's for the door handles. There are four pieces. The driver's door is easily identifiable as it has a keyhole. The other three parts are all exactly the same. For both the front passenger door and both rear doors, you simply change the orientation for passenger side versus driver's side. Finally, the pièce de résistance, the dashboard trim. It has a cutout for the Tacoma logo. One word of caution with this piece, this section is pretty thin, and overall the material is fairly thin, so it doesn't sit too proud of your dash. So this is a little flexible, so just take care in handling it and you should be fine. Again, double-sided tape all the way around to secure it in place. Okay, before we get into the actual install, I have one little disclaimer. This is being shot after the installations are complete, but I wanted to let you know I had trouble with the door handles, the trim on the door handle sticking. I had my truck ceramic coated, and I think that's the issue, because the double-sided adhesive for the dash and center console trim worked perfectly. So with that, let's see how it went. I got the backing peeled off from all the double-sided adhesive. We're going to try this on the driver's door handle. Wish me luck. Yeah, that is a bummer. Okay, so the carbon fiber door handle trim didn't seem to work out. I'm not giving up on it. I'm going to get some actual 3M double-sided adhesive and try it again. Let's move on to the other two kits and see how they go. I'm going to start on this little part on the driver's side here, using the adhesion promoter. I'll do the other side of the dash as well. I've removed the backing from all the adhesive tape. Now we're ready to put this piece in position. That seemed to stick no problem. Oh, I like it. That's nice. Now do the other side. Okay, I'm going to take this opportunity to peel all of the backing off the double-sided tape. I think that's going to be easier. I'm just going to hold this in position just to see how it sits. It's got a little hook that goes around behind the screen here, so that's something to watch out for. You can bend this back, sit it around just like that. That's going to look nice. I'm glad this is so flexible here. It seems pretty sturdy. I mean, it's flexible, but it seems pretty strong. So I don't suspect that this is going to break or deform over time. I think we're fine. So I just need to peel all the tape off. It's not too bad once you get a corner started. Just kind of peel it back with your nail and then get a hold of it and peel it off. Ooh, these were hooked together. Very nice. Okay, we've got the backing off all the double-sided tape. Take care not to stick this down until it's in position. We need to go around the back of the screen, so I'm going to do that first. This needs to bend out on the left-hand side here. Around the screen, I'm going to make sure my Tacoma logo is lined up. And it's nice, it fits right up against the screen. That's perfect side to side, so I just got to get the top and the vertical orientation straight. And I'm happy with that. Beautiful. It's secure. Nice. I think that dresses up the dash quite nicely. I think that looks better than the smoked silver trim that was there before. There's a little bit of a deeper recess here, but I think that looks fine. And I hope to add some raised stickers here at some point. I saw some kind of raised red Tacoma logo stickers you could put here, but by the time I went to order them, they were out of stock and I can't find them anywhere now. I'll look again. I'll find them, I'm sure. If you know of any, drop them in the comments. But yeah, some raised stickers here to make Tacoma stand out in red would be really nice against this carbon fiber. That looks super nice. All right, next, center console around the shifter. I've wiped the entire center console down here where we're going to put the carbon fiber trim kit with the adhesion promoter. This just slides right over the shifter just like that. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, that's going to be sweet. So I just need to peel the backing off the double-sided adhesive and we should be good to go. It doesn't want to come off and it's not even stuck down. That's not going anywhere. Cool. Finally got all of the backing off the double-sided adhesive. This is ready to go in place. And with how well this fit before, I don't anticipate any issues with this coming off at some point in the future. Just got to get it around the shift boot there. There we go. Make sure it snaps all the way down, all the way around. Beautiful. That looks amazing. I love that. There you have it. Okay, I'm very happy with the installation. The carbon fiber trim for the dashboard and that center console both look very nice. They are also very secure. I don't see them coming off anytime soon, so I don't think the fault is the double-sided tape that Lexland Gear uses. I believe it's simply because my truck was ceramic coated. So that's just something to be aware of if you're looking for this for a mod for your truck. Overall, I'm very happy. Check out my discount code to get 20% off your Lexland Gear order, and we will catch you in the next video. Have a great day.